Well, good morning, and here we are again. It's been about a week and a half, or a week and a couple of days, since I took my vehicle, my RAV4 2019 Adventure model, in to get a door checked. So here is the complaint from the dealership when I took it in, 18 September 2019. Noise from the rear door, noise from driver door, crack part, check and advise. So it's actually the rear driver door, crack part, check and advise. So there's no labor. That you see up there is the Toyota Care no cost service for the first 5,000 miles, and $40 it was free. And then right here you see it says warranty because it was covered under warranty. No, nothing for parts and labor, so I didn't pay anything. And this is my copy right here. Now behind this is just the 5,000 mile check that they did. Everything is on the green. I put that right here. So if you're just coming in to this video and you didn't see the previous video that I made, the whole thing that was going on was that I was driving and I noticed some weird noise coming from the rear door, the rear driver's side door. And I went and investigated and looked at a couple things. And then I noticed that the top of the window frame was a little bit wobbly. So then I started to look around the frame, and then I noticed there was a little disbonding coming along where the door frame meets the upper window frame. And that little crack, it looked like a crack to me, but later on I discovered it was just this bonding of the two parts where they were welded together. So now a lot of people, they didn't know where this was coming from, or when I put the video up, where was this located at. So if you're worried about your vehicle having this problem, I spoke with the service guy, and he says that he hasn't heard anything of this. I'm pretty sure Toyota hasn't heard anything about this going on other vehicles. So this could just be an isolated problem with this car. But it wouldn't hurt for you to go look at your doors at this specific point in the vehicle. Now it's going to be really hard for me to get my camera in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it from inside, so you can see it, because if I do it from the outside, my camera angle is not going to be it's not going to capture it. All right, so here I'm going to unlock the doors, and I'm going to move my seat back, my backrest. All right, and this is the door that had the problem right here. The noise came from here. I thought it was the B pillar that was making the noise, but it wasn't. All right, you're going to open up your door, and here it is. You're going to open it like this. And you're gonna see this little door seal, if you want to call it. And what you want to do is you want to peel it back just slightly. Don't do it too crazy. Now you're gonna notice that the difference between mine and yours is that you are gonna have a little dot around this area right here, whereas if you see mine, it's a straight continuous like glue, like welding that happened there. So that's the repair that they did to it. All right, they repaired it. I'm gonna post a picture of it, how it was previously, and then you could just see for yourself the difference. So I'm guessing they painted this whole door, maybe, I don't know. It looks like fresh paint right here, but that's the whole thing. Now the whole top of the door is not wobbly anymore, and the whole crack used to go from here. So like, let me take this off. There you go. All right, there you go. And you can see a little bit of the plaster that they used right there. All right, it went from all the way in here. Jesus, went from here all the way down, and it went close to up here. All right, and that was making the door move around the top part of it. So I see that they went all the way inside by the looks of it. And here. Yep, there you go. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad at all. Good paint match and all that. So why not replace the whole door? I guess it's just a thing that they could replace it. They didn't have to take the whole door out and put a new door in. It doesn't look like they put a new door in. It's just an old door. Now, things that they did that I can see is that they painted this little tab right here. I don't think the other door has that tab painted. I think it's black, but nevertheless, I don't care. Maybe it's just tape. Yeah, it comes out. There you go. Yeah, it is tape. They left the tape there. No biggie. Yeah, there you go. Now I want to take it off. Doesn't look right. There you go. That's the paint. And they left the tape there. And there you go. Now it looks better. So that's that. All right. So that's done. It was fixed under warranty. We're good with that. Now there's no problem there. I drove the car. No noise. We're good. Thank you, Toyota, for fixing that. I never thought that they were not going to do it. I was worried, but hopefully I was thinking they were going to come through, and they did. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the other side and show you the weld, how it looks on the other side, and maybe hopefully not find that door is cracked too, but I doubt it. And then I'm going to show you some things that I've been finding with this car. One big problem that I've been hearing, because I have the RAV4 Adventure Club on Instagram. You could go follow me. Is RAV_Adventure_Club. You will see a RAV4 emblem, HUA, whatever it says there, and you could just go click it. And please follow me. I have a giveaway going out that if I get 250 followers, I will give you this. I will send you the RAV4 center organizer free. I'll send it to you. The way this works is pretty cool. You put it on there just like that, and it divides the top part from the bottom part, and you can put more stuff in there and fill it up with all the crap that you want. But here we go. First thing that I'm going to talk about that I just gets me really going on this car is some rattling noises that have happened in a couple thousand miles. So I'll say from like 3,000 miles forward, I've noticed it. And then some people on the RAV4 Club page on Instagram have told me the same thing. First one, this guy. All right. Now, you might say, what's rattling here? This guy. It rattles like a maraca. And it's just, I don't know what it is that makes this door go like that flimsy, but you're driving and all you hear is this. All right. And Toyota, if you're watching this video, and anybody that has this car, I'm about to go complain and see if there's anything you could put here. But the only thing that I've noticed that I could fix it with is if I put like a rag here and then I pull it up, and then it doesn't make that noise. All right. Now the other side doesn't make that noise. This side makes it, and it's just driving me nuts. All right. Next thing that I found, gaps on these cars. I went to the dealership, and I wish I would have recorded it. I didn't know why I didn't think about it. But if you go to a dealership and you're gonna buy this car, make sure you look at the gaps, because gaps are crazy. All right, I found a couple, but they're not really noticeable. And if I record it in a video, you're just gonna say I'm crazy. But I'm just gonna show you the biggest one I found so far. All right, here we go. We're gonna go out. All right, so this right here is the left side, right? Left side of the tailgate. You can see how small this gap is. I mean, I could barely put my finger in there. My finger doesn't show how wide of a gap there is here, right? But this gap is humongous. Now, the door is closed. As you can see right here, it's not opened, but it's closed. That's driving me nuts. Gaps right here with the doors. They're not lining. Like this one is coming out more than this one. This thing is peeling back. I mean, if you go around to the car, you could find all these things, and you would, you know, it just drives you nuts. It drives me nuts. But they're little things, not big things. It's not like the car is falling apart. So, you know, it is a Toyota. It's not a Mercedes-Benz or a Lexus, the Toyota part of this car. Oh, so they did both sides on this car. That's crazy. Hey, so check this out. They did both doors on the car. They did both doors. And how did I know they did both doors? Because this right here was not like that. And you could feel it. I mean, I think they reinforced it. That's what I think they did. They did both doors. That's weird. You can see a little bit of overspray on the screws right here. But that's crazy. Thank God they did that too, you know? You would think. You can see it right there in the top part right here. They put more of that little seal or whatever they use, like a little metal set, weld, whatever it is, but they did it. They put it all around this door. And here is another tack weld. And that's crazy. Now, I don't know if this was here because I really didn't pull this back, but this was not like that. And you can see like the paint is rubbing off too, which is crazy. But yeah, that's good. All right, yeah, that's fine. It's great. Let's see the other doors, because now I'm kind of thinking that they did it on all the doors. Because imagine like if that was one spot, they might as well have done all the doors, right? You don't want to have a door cracking on you on all sides. And let's see, where would this one have? Oh, up here. All right. I don't know about this one though. It looks kind of like unmolested. There is no overspray around here. All right, that's great. Good on that. Good that they did that. All right, and this right here, these are the car trim home door seals that I put on here. Yeah, and they have a cable that goes through here and all the way on the back through the whole car, and hook up to the lighting that I have for this vehicle. Here's another gap that I'm telling you, like another panel that's like slightly pulling back. Again, like for you, it's probably not a big deal, but I see it, and that's me, and I don't like it. And hopefully, oh, and then here we go. The last thing, this mirror is loose, and when you're driving, it shakes. Maybe you haven't noticed that, but now that I mention it and you see it, you will notice it. All right, so there you have it, folks. This is a whole clip that I just recorded, unedited. It's gonna go like this on YouTube. So let me know what you guys think on the comments below. Am I rambling too much? Did I find something? I don't know. Hopefully there's a bulletin that goes up to Toyota to make sure that those door welds get made better or reinforced, you know, those spot welds, because they're like a little nipple that were spot welded there, and maybe that breaks, and maybe it doesn't. Maybe it was just my car, but hopefully that doesn't happen to you, because over time what's going to happen is those two parts are going to come undone, and now you're going to have a broken door. And you just bought this car. This car is brand new. I mean, you could see it right there, 4,957 miles. So yeah, I mean, you don't expect that from a brand new car. But anyways, enough of my rambling again. Like I said, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe. I'll keep going up with updates on what's going on if anything happens to this car, and then I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching.